Dear students, let's see this question. In the circuit shown in the figure, there are two parallel plate capacitors, each of capacitance C. The switch S1 is pressed first to fully charge the capacitor C1 and then release it. The switch S2 is then pressed to charge the capacitor C2. After some time, S2 is released and then S3 is pressed after some time. Here, 4 options are given. Out of 4 options, we have to choose the correct options. And this question is JW Advanced 2013. Advanced 2013. And small question, basic concepts again. See, here is saying that first the switch S1 is pressed first. First it is closed. When it is closed, this C1 is connected to this one. We know we can write Q is equal to CV formula. So Q1 I will write C1 into V. So here V is nothing but 2V0. Capacitance is given as C. So you write Q1 can be written as C. V is nothing but 2V0. So Q1 is equal to 2CV0. How much I got? Q1? Q1 is 2CV0. By seeing this option, the charge on the upper plate capacitor C1 is 2CV0, we will think this one is correct option and we will put tick. Right? But actually it is not correct. What is saying? When it is completely charged, it is open and then it is closed. When it is closed, these two are connected, these two capacitors are connected, and these two capacitors will share the charge equally. These two capacitors will share the charge equally. So when it will share the charge equally, then final charge on C1 and C2 becomes Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to 2CV0 by 2, which is equal to CV0. Final charge becomes 2CV0 by 2, which is CV0. So here, first option is wrong. The charge on the upper plate of C1 is CV0. So second option is correct. So A option is wrong and B option is correct. And now what we did? This one is also open and now this is closed. So when it is closed, at the time of closing, here the charge on the upper plate is CV0. Upper plate is CV0. And here V0 is supplied. So that here the negative will be there. So here again the negative charge will be generated. So here and finally when S3 is closed, the final charge on the upper plate of the capacitor becomes CV0. The charge on the upper plate of the capacitor C2 is minus CV0. So this one is correct. And option C is wrong. Option D is correct. Small question is given and conceptually easy questions. Again, I am saying we are thinking it is advanced questions. Advanced questions are very difficult. But when we understood the concept and when we read the question line by line, and it is easy to solve. I hope you understood. Thank you.